That's a really, really good point, I think, because I think a lot of potential would-be migrants are very heavily focused on the visa, and it's all about what kind of visa can I get a visa, and so on. And that's important, obviously, because you need to know you qualify, but even if you do qualify and you make the move, I think you need to understand what are your chances of securing a job. There's no point moving to the other side of the world if you're not employable. Most of us need a job to survive. And it's not only the income that's important, but it's all the social benefits that come with having a job. And nothing settles a migrant faster than having a job, meeting people, building those really important networks. So we do a lot of our assessment processes focus quite heavily on whether or not that person is employable, not just in terms of the market for their skills or their skills themselves, but also their attitude, their personality, and adjusting that to suit the market. Finding a job in New Zealand and Australia is different to finding a job from wherever you're coming from. It's a different place. So having some tools to help you manage that process, to understand what's involved and whether or not you actually are employable is really important. We look at a person's CV, we look at their skills, we look at the market, we understand whether or not there is a demand, and then we talk to them about what they need to do to adjust their own outlook, their own perspective, and their own attitudes towards finding a job.